Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I feel a sense of deja vu about this story because we have of course been here before. The headline is Buhari on a 10-day private visit to London. So now if you rewind 4 years ago, we were exactly at this point. Buhari on a 10-day visit to London, and that 10-day visit turned into like a nearly 200-day visit, and we all know the chaos that befell upon the country as a result of that. And after that, we all know the 4 years that we suffered off the back of that 10-day visit. So now Buhari was yet on another 10-day visit. The presidency this morning announced that President Buhari will be leaving for the United Kingdom on a private visit today, April 25th, and will return on May 5. So this is what the headline is. This is short and to the point. It's just a news release. So now this is how Nigerians are reacting to this new development with Buhari coming to London again with the same templates that he came with 4 years ago. So Professor Abbas Rashid: if I were at Buhari, I would appoint myself the ambassador to the United Kingdom. So he's now making a commentary on how frequently the president travels. So Daddy G.O., obviously not the Daddy G.O., but somebody under that hashtag. Our tourism minister, keep globe-trotting, we hail you. So you can see that they're already making fun of that. Ekundayo, for a private medical visit or what? What lies your integrity? Always hiding the truth, but always enjoying spending Nigerian money anyhow on personal medical care, but telling Nigerians to live by their means. So that is what Ekundayo had to say in response to that. Which one is private visit again? Oh, this is what Oyeniyi had to say. So it's just, you can tell obviously where they're going. This is what Joseph is saying. We hope the cabinet will be dissolved before the president returns back to the country. This is our desire. So, well, you know. So really, that's pretty much it really. It's just that single headline. It just struck me that we have been here before. The president yet on another visit to London, a private visit, and we already know that that is a code for a medical visit. So now you then beg the question then that the Nigerians that cannot afford to fly abroad for their private medical needs, what then befalls their faith, or what fate rather befalls them? So this is really where the question is. And if you think of all the billions that they allocate to their Rock clinic or health center or whatever it is that they have there, billions and billions every year, and they don't have the facilities to take care of the president, then that really tells you all that you need to know. Remember also, before the 2015 election, Buhari said he was going to stop medical junkets abroad, all these trips abroad that all these ministers and government functionaries take. Those were his exact words, that he was going to stop the medical junkets and the jamborees. So now it looks as though he has not only not stopped the medical junkets and the jamborees, it has actually doubled and tripled and increased in multifold under his watch, and he being the lead person in this jamboree. There's never a time that that man is not on the plane flying somewhere and enjoying life. And here we have the latest one again, a repeat of 2015 when he came on this coded private visit, this coded private visit to London, and we know what ensued after that. So now what says you? Buhari and private visits, spending Nigerian money on personal needs. So what's the conversation around this? You tell me in the comment section. We have that conversation. But before you come join me in the comment section to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray. Click on the bell button as well so you are notified every time I drop a video. Then come join me. Let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.